Cycling, they say it's good for the heart. And sure, it is. The rhythmic pumping of your legs, the rush of wind against your face, the steady beat of your heart as you push yourself up that steep incline. It's like a symphony of movement, a dance between man and machine, between body and nature. But it's more than just good for the heart. It's good for the soul, too. There's something about being out on the open road, with nothing but the sound of your own breath and the hum of your tires on the pavement. It's a kind of freedom that you can't find anywhere else. A freedom to go wherever you want, to explore new places, to challenge yourself in ways you never thought possible. And let's not forget about the calories. Oh yes, cycling burns calories like nothing else. You can feel them melting away with each pedal stroke, each mile you conquer. It's a workout that doesn't feel like a workout, a way to stay in shape without even realizing it. And the best part? You get to do it all while enjoying the great outdoors, soaking in the sights and sounds of the world around you. But it's not just about the physical benefits. Cycling is a mental game too. It teaches you patience, perseverance, and determination. When you're faced with a steep hill or a strong headwind, you have to dig deep and find that inner strength to keep going. You learn to push through the pain, to silence that voice in your head that says you can't do it. And when you finally reach the top of that hill, when you crest the summit and feel the rush of adrenaline as you fly down the other side, you know that it was all worth it. Cycling is a metaphor for life, really. It's about setting goals and working hard to achieve them. It's about pushing yourself beyond your limits and discovering what you're truly capable of. It's about finding joy in the journey, in the sweat and the struggle and the triumphs along the way. So next time you hop on your bike, remember that it's not just about getting a good workout or burning off those extra calories. It's about feeding your soul, challenging your mind, and connecting with the world around you. It's about embracing the freedom of the open road and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Cycling. Good for the heart, good for the body, good for the soul.